Guys, I wanted to show you this milk hair serum that I've been using. I have very long, color treated, like blonde, bleached out hair. And I don't love always using a blow dryer. But when I don't, and I just let it air dry, it can tend to be like pretty frizzy. So I was on the hunt for something that I could leave in my hair that's not going to weigh it down. It's not going to make it sticky, but will really help with the frizz. When I use this, it looks like I had like a blowout or I blow dried my hair when I didn't. I do typically let it air dry and it really does help with the frizz. So there's a ton of natural ingredients in it. It's paraben free, silicone free. It's basically has just like a lot of natural ingredients in it to really hydrate it, as well as hyaluronic acid in it. It has grapeseed, it has walnut. So if you have an allergy, you might want to, definitely check the ingredients to make sure, like if, especially if you have like a nut allergy. Sunflower seed oil. Really happy with this algae in it as well. Again, like I swear that it looks like I blew dry my hair out, and I don't, and I really do need extra moisture in my hair because it becomes too frizzy when I don't. It's not like a cute, like curly frizzy. It's like just too frizzy. So this is a nice glass bottle. It looks pretty on my vanity, and you get a decent amount. You can see I've been using this for a while. I will absolutely keep buying it. This is the 3.4 ounce bottle. I wanted to show you, you use like 2 pumps, usually like typically 1 to 2 pumps. So it is, like a nice, it doesn't weigh down my hair, which I really do like. You can use it. I'm going to take my hair down. You can also use it if you're blow drying your hair, because it will like protect it and give it like a heat protector. I use it right after the shower when my hair is damp, and then I don't feel like I have to blow dry it. I run through like 2 or 3 pumps, and then that's about it. I usually like, 2 pumps I think is a good amount, but I do have like a decent amount of hair. And again, it is color treated and it does have a fragrance to it, but it's not overpowering. It smells really like delightful. I like the way that it smells, but it does have a fragrance. So if you want something that's fragrance free, this isn't necessarily what you want, but definitely if you're looking for something where you don't have to blow dry your hair, and then it helps with all the frizz and gets like the tangles out. Like I can brush my hair really easy, or I also use it on my 11-year-old who has like the most tangly, like her hair just knots up so quick. So when she has a really hard time with the knots, I definitely will go for this and help get those knots out. So really happy with this product. Definitely recommend it, and I will just keep ordering it.